Based on our experience as data scientists for process manufacturing, we have built TrendMiner to empower engineers with advanced time series analytics without the need for them to be data scientists.
The team consists of a group of specialists who combine their engineering knowledge with deep analytics experience. Over the years, we developed a best practices approach on onboarding our customers. This approach is an approach that delivers immediate business value to our users.
Our users can search through years of historical data in a matter of seconds to find out what happened, why it happened, and to find root causes to avoid bad process and asset performance.
So it took me 4 hours to do something which I can do in 15 minutes with this program.
Our customers can solve unsolved cases, avoid abnormal situations, and find new areas for improvement, because the data tells the story.